Good afternoon. It's October the 25th, 2016, and I want to talk to you about one of our favorite trades in the bond. One of the characteristics of trading the bond is that it retests support and resistance almost always to the tick. And we have these little 2, 3, and 4 bar patterns that really kind of stand out, and they're pretty easy to trade. So we're going to talk about our bread and butter trade in the 30-year bond, a retest failure, and the setups that we have. What we're looking for are 2 bars lows with a pivot or 2 bar highs with a pivot, that black down. And the software does the work for you. And so the first trade that sets up is right here. We've got this little 2 bar pattern. We break it out right here. And if you traded it perfectly, that was good for 30 seconds. Now you can see how this pattern just really stands out right there, right in front of you. It's very, very difficult to miss. And when you break that bars low, you're short. And we look to make 6 to 8 30 seconds minimally on every trade. This one was good if you traded it perfectly. Here's that 2 bar pattern once again. And this was a huge trade. We don't get the exit until way up here. That's 29 30 seconds away. That's almost a $1,000 trade. Again, you can see how this it just kind of stands out there by itself. Signals the end of the move. And that trade is good for 8 30 seconds. Right here, a retest of that low. They get the little 2 bar pattern right there. This trade turns out to be a scratch. You're in at 27, you're out at 27. When you break that bars lower, you reverse right here. And this trade is good for 8 30 seconds. Another little 2 bar pattern, so it happens to have an S over the top of it. It's good for 6 30 seconds when you come out. So today there were 6 trades possible. If you only took 6 30 seconds max on your trades, that's 36 30 seconds, or $1,125. There were 68 30 seconds there possible if you traded it perfectly, and nobody does trade it perfectly, but that was good for $21.25. No losers. That's unusual. Usually we have a couple of losers during the day. So it's a pattern that's easy to recognize. It's easy to see the setups. The rules are simple. Your trading target is 6 to 8 30 seconds. Sometimes there's a lot more. And it's a trade that can really, really put some quick money into your account, because it's based on one of the characteristics of the personality of the bond, which is retesting support or resistance to the tick. And a retest is almost always there before the market can reverse. We're going to offer 5 free days to new visitors in our main trading room, where we trade crude, gold, the euro, 30-year bond, 10-year note, and the E-mini. In those 5 free days, you can see me, the software, and the methodology work live, real time. You'll get all the answers you need to know about whether our service is right for you or not. Looking forward to seeing you in the main room for your 5-day free trial offer.